Hello, and welcome to Take a Breath, a sensory station designed to ground you in the present moment through movement, stillness, and scent. On the left, you'll see a time-lapse of the animations. On the right, the components that bring it to life. The lid of the scent vessel opens and closes using an Arduino control servo. Inside, cinnamon sticks diffuse coconut lime essential oil. Above it, greenery is animated by dual servo arms. Their opposing motions create a calming rhythm, echoing breath. The servos are secured to the mainframe using 90-degree mounts from OCAD's Social Body Lab Wearables Toolkit. All components are housed in an IKEA SCADA's frame, custom fitted with a battery, breadboard, and Arduino wired cleanly through the back. Take a Breath invites you to pause and reconnect with yourself. One movement, one scent, and 1 minute at a time. Thanks for watching.